severe thunderstorm watch. Woo!
Severe thunderstorm watch number 413, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Greene, Warwick, and Waterford. Favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the
4-hour,
area.
30-minute watch.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I don't know why the Sage didn't get it to relate to the EasyCast. All right. I'll work on that.